From rags to riches, the story of Chung Joo Young and Hyundai. 30 years ago, Hyundai was considered a small Korean company known for making inexpensive, unattractive, and unreliable vehicles. Jokes circulated that the best way to increase a Hyundai's value was to fill it with gas. Fast forward to today, and Hyundai has transformed into a major player in the global automobile market, outshining giants like Ford, Honda, and General Motors. This remarkable turnaround is the result of the vision and perseverance of Chung Joo Young, a man who rose from humble beginnings to build South Korea's largest and most diverse conglomerate. His journey from poverty to becoming the wealthiest man in South Korea is a true rags to riches story. Escaping poverty. Born in 1915 in a small village in Tonkin, now part of North Korea, Chung Joo Young faced severe hardships. Korea was under Japanese colonial rule, and Chung's family was extremely poor. His parents worked tirelessly on their farm, barely scraping by. Chung, the eldest of 7 children, was forced to leave school at age 14 to work alongside his father. They grew rice, raised animals, and sold firewood just to make ends meet. The constant struggle with poverty left Chung yearning for a different life. At just 16, he and a friend fled their village, embarking on a perilous journey to the city of Kwon, now in North Korea. They found work as construction laborers, and although the pay was meager, Chung was thrilled to earn his own money. However, his newfound freedom was short-lived. Chung's father found him and brought him back to the village. Determined not to return to a life of hardship, Chung escaped twice more to Seoul, the capital. Each time, his father tracked him down and brought him back. Despite his father's discouraging words about his prospects, Chung's resolve remained unshaken. The final time he fled, he was resolute in making a better life for himself. The journey. Once in Seoul, Chung took on various jobs, from laborer to handyman, to make ends meet. His big break came when he found work at the Bokong rice store, where he started as a delivery man. Chung's dedication and work ethic impressed the store owner, who soon promoted him to store accountant. At just 22 years old, Chung bought the store from his ailing boss, renaming it Kyunggal Rice Store. His innovative approach and low prices quickly made the store successful. However, the Japanese government imposed rice rationing due to their war with China, forcing Chung to close his business. Undeterred, he pivoted to a new venture, auto repair. In 1940, Chung took out a bank loan to open auto service garage. Despite his lack of knowledge about cars, he hired skilled mechanics and differentiated his business with low prices and excellent customer service. The garage thrived, but another setback occurred. A fire destroyed the shop and its equipment, plunging Chung into debt. Undaunted, Chung took out another loan and opened a new garage in a busier area of Seoul. This new location quickly became one of the city's top auto repair shops, and Chung's business expanded significantly. Unfortunately, the Japanese government took over his garage in 1942 as part of their war efforts, forcing Chung to return to his village once again. A new beginning. Despite these setbacks, Chung's spirit remained unbroken. His journey from poverty to becoming the founder of Hyundai was marked by resilience, adaptability, and unwavering determination. Today, Hyundai stands as a testament to Chung Joo Young's remarkable vision and hard work, transforming from a struggling startup into a global powerhouse in the automobile industry and beyond. Chung Joo Young's legacy is a powerful reminder that even the most challenging beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements with perseverance and ingenuity. However, despite losing the shop, he had managed to save up 50,000 and was looking forward to his next business venture. Little did he know this new business venture was about to change everything. Music. Before moving on to the next chapter, there's something I want to share with you guys. While a lot of you are car experts, if you're anything like me when it comes to getting gifts for your girl, you could use a helping hand. That's why I'm happy to share this really cool device that I've come across recently. It's called Foreo Bare Microcurrent device. Put simply for you guys, it's like a mini facelift from home device. That's right, it's the kind of gift that'll put a smile on her face and help her look younger. You don't have to take my word for it. In fact, Bare is clinically proven to significantly reduce wrinkles and improve skin firmness in just 1 week. 95% of users report their face looks younger. So to make your life easier for belated Women's Day, birthday, or surprising gift, I've partnered up with Foreo, the maker of Bare, and one of the top companies in the wellness tech space. While this Swedish multinational offers a wide range of innovative beauty tech, the one that really stood out to me is the perfect gift to express your gratitude for her. A Bare device. So if you don't want to miss out on putting a smile on her face, click the link below. The birth of Hyundai. When the Second World War came to an end, Korea gained its independence from the Japanese Empire, and with no more government restrictions, Chung reopened his service garage in 1946. He called it the Hyundai Auto Service Center, which in English the word Hyundai means modern. And they began by offering their services to Japanese jalopis and U.S. military trucks, and by the end of that year the business had grown so much that Chung's employee network nearly tripled from 30 to 80 people. He had once again put together a successful business and could finally operate without any disruption from the Japanese government. By then, he had brought his family together to the newly established country of South Korea, where they all took part in the business. Alongside him, however, while Chung